Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another amazing DIY video. I am participating in another challenge that is hosted by three lovely ladies. One or two of them are really new to my channel, but I have watched some of their videos and I just love it. All of them are amazing DIYers, crafters, and creators. They've given me so much inspiration. I love it. I would strongly recommend, if you have not seen any of or not know any of them, go check them out. All the information will be listed in the description below. But let's talk about our lovely host. So the host number one is Mama Dare to DIY, and I will link it right here. The second lady is Terrarium and Crafts. Sorry if I butchered it. And the third lady is a Sweet Urban Rose. So, and the theme of the challenge was to upcycle jar or a bottle. So I have done three DIYs for this challenge, and I am really excited to show you what I did and how it turned out. If this is something you are interested in, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project we need this is a Dollar Tree jar or some glass I'll be using it as a jar because I need to put some stuff inside. So I'm gonna be wrapping my jute around it, and then I'm gonna use this as a decoration. So this would be the project number one. Okay, for the second project, you will need, I have this from Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of those jars and looks like vases and glasses. I don't even know what they are, but this burlap ribbon, and this one I picked up at the Walmart, I know for sure, because Dollar Tree didn't really had one of those I needed, and the jute, and of course the glue gun. Okay, and for project number 3, I'm using this jar from Dollar Tree. So I don't know about this project. I am just guessing because I had such a success with my Ukrainian napkins. So if you have not seen that video, I'll throw it up in the cards. When I was in my local grocery store, I saw this beautiful napkins, and I thought, you know what, I kind of want to put it on the jar and see how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna try it. Then I might decorate it the top with the jute, and for the napkins I'm gonna be using the Mod Podge. And I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but I brought it over just in case as a decoration. So this is what we're gonna be doing with this jar. Okay, I think it turned out pretty freaking good. I was not expected to be that good. So now I'm gonna wait until Mod Podge is dry, and then I will decorate it. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, so it is dry, well, mostly. So I'm gonna use this ribbon, and I think I want to add a couple of strings of this. So, well, let's play with it and see what we come up with. that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more video, don't forget to click this bell notifications so it will notify you when I am uploading a new video. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.